Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clone apps on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. There's actually no option that allows you to just directly clone apps. However, there is still a way to do so. So we need to find the MotoSecure app, which can be found in the Moto folder. You can also open the app drawer and find the Moto folder over here, and then you can go to MotoSecure. And in MotoSecure, you will have the secure folder over here. We need to set up the secure folder. So select secure folder, press continue, then skip through, and then over here where you have Google account plus secure folder, you can either log in and use your Google account to make backups, or you can just skip login by pressing this text over here in the top left corner. Then let's unlock the device, wait a couple of seconds to load the app. There we go. And now we need to use the lock for the secure folder. So we have a different lock for the secure folder than for the device. So I'm gonna choose a simple pin code. There we go. Press next one more time, enter the same pin and confirm. And there we go. You can also enable the fingerprint sensor for the secure folder, so we can press setup and then enable use fingerprint. Alright, so now that we have the secure folder, which can be found in the app drawer over here now we can clone apps. So for instance, let's say I have TikTok over here. I didn't use TikTok yet on this device, so let's pretend that I have an account over here. I'm just gonna skip for now, and we will set up a simple date. Press continue. There we go. Alright, so let's skip through everything, and there we go. Now we can just simply watch TikTok, right? Let's say I have an account over here. Now I can also add TikTok to the secure folder and have it, let's say, duplicated, because I will have to log in one more time, and technically I can just use a different account. So if you go to secure folder now, then let's skip that. Then you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner. Then you can choose add apps. And now here we can select app that we want to clone. So in this case, of course, I will select TikTok, as I mentioned. Of course, you can add multiple apps at the same time, but once you select them, press this check in the bottom right corner, and there we go, we have apps added. So now if I open the TikTok through the secure folder, I will have to set it up pretty much once again. As you can see, I have to change or set up the birth date one more time. So technically, I will have to sign up one more time or log in. So you can use two different accounts without having to log out and log in all the time on the same app. And just to prove, I will go back to TikTok, and as you can see, I'm still continuing. I have this one set up, but in the secure folder, I have to log in. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!